What's up, everybody? It's your boy Q. You know who? Back, baby, with another video. Whoa, man, I'm about to flow. I done came down and on. Dang, I messed up again. Whoa, man, I'm about to flow. It's your boy Q, and I'm on my damn way. It's Friday, so that means it's payday. Pumping and I'm grinding, swinging and I'm coming. I done came down, man. Fifth wheel a coming. I'm gonna stop right there because that was a good one over here. Hey, what's up, everybody, man? It's your boy Q. Thank y'all for coming kicking it with me today. Got another quick video for y'all, man. A question I got asked in the comments, and something I didn't know what it meant either, is what does it mean to retorque your lift kit and how often should you do it? And that's a great question, and something I had to learn about too. When you get your truck lifted, basically from stock, you're gonna take all those components and basically what they were made for, the stock angles and everything they were made for, you basically have taken that, disrupted that, and jacked it up 6 inches. So all the angles and all the lift kit, everything's kind of out of whack. Basically what a retorque your lift kit is. So I'm gonna have to get down here and show y'all. Y'all better thank me, I'm missing some clothes too. So you can see here these red paintings right here on my lift, right there, right there. You see they kind of everywhere, all over here. They're even over here on this boat, on that boat. They're pretty much everywhere that I guess, like, I don't know exactly where, but everywhere that like new parts were installed where the lift kit was installed. Once or twice a year, you should get your lift kit retorqued. And all that means, guys, is go back and make sure nothing has came loose since you got your truck lifted. And I believe when you first get your truck lifted, you should do it within the first 500 miles of getting your truck lifted. So after you drive 500 miles, you need to take it back to get it retorqued to make sure nothing has come loose. And so those lines, as you can see here again, it shows you if anything has come undone. So you can see how that screw there matches this line. Same here, the screw matches. You probably not sure if y'all can see that well in the video, but you can see that the mark they have on the screw and the mark they have on the other part there is still in line. So none is coming undone. And that's all it means, man. I get my lift kit retorqued once a year, I believe. So I think I did last year one time for sure. I'm not sure if I did it twice, but I know I did it once. So that's the easiest way you want to do it, to keep track of it. Just do it at the beginning of every year. That way you know you did it, you don't lose count. Yeah, that's it. That's all it means. It's just basically going back and making sure all the bolts that they put on, everything is still tight. They're just retorquing everything back down to spec. Simple, right? I know some of this stuff seems scary, guys, when you get into it and start learning about it. And I was the same way when I started learning about it. I had no idea what it meant, how much it costs. Let's go vary on shop. I don't remember how much mine cost, honestly. Last time I took it, the guy did tell me there was a few that needed retorquing down, but nothing crazy. He's like, you know, nothing outside the normal. It's just general maintenance when it comes to lift kit. That is one of the things you have to maintain. Make sure you get it retorqued at least once a year. You can do twice. If you just put a brand new lift kit on your truck, after the first 500 miles, you should go back and get it retorqued just to check, make sure everything is good. I've been doing a lot of motorcycle stuff, like parts, gear and apparel, so I might do a gear review, you know, stuff like that. That's all I got. I'll catch y'all next week. Peace.